Okay, so watch. We were doing Happy Birthday, and it got weirder in the left hand. So we did sol, sol, la, sol, do, ti, sol, sol, la, sol, re, do. And then up the octave, sol, 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 because it's not convenient to cross over. Sol, mi, do, ti, la, and then fa, fa, mi, do, re, do, and C major. You could do this in any one of the 12 keys. So check this out. Sol, sol, la, sol, do, ti, sol, sol, la, sol, re, do, and then sol, sol, sol. Just take each finger and again move it like a slinky where it relaxes into that happy hangy swingy thing. And then the fa, 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 mi, do, re, do. So when I do that, if I want to mirror that same fingering, because this was more problematic for fingerings, or watch. We already did this. We talked about going down the chord, but having everything comfortable, and then just crossing over like in a scale. But if I have this hand mirror the fingering of the left hand, watch. Sol, sol, la, sol, re, up the octave G to G, sol, sol, sol. I could do that same slinky. I can stretch out, but as soon as I can, I relax to the thumb or I relax to the pinky, and the forearm will respond so that you don't hurt your wrists or muscles. So watch, if I do them together, parallel. Here's the octave G, G. Maybe they took turns on the G. And then, does that make sense? Now here are the chords. C, E, G, happy birthday to, this is the T, so I do D, F, G, U, and then happy, oops, that B went away, so I'm going to put the B in the pinky here with F and G, birthday to, back to C, E, G, and then happy birthday, dear, and this would be an F, A, C, but the C is just going to stay here because it's already there. T, that's a tension, suspension, release. Does that make sense? And then fa, fa. I'll go back to the do, mi, sol. Fa, so I relax my hand to be ready. Happy birthday. And now it's D, C up here, so I'll use the B down here again. To you. And then if you want to say, you can go, and many. Instead of do, ti, you use the B flat. It's sort of a weird, goofy, jazzy-ish ending. What do you think? If you looked at that, that would help you review it, yeah? Okay, stop.